I got this from Harris County Environmental Public Health for my food truck. It's saying I got this on November the 2nd, 2018. It's the new requirements. Before, you used to could just bring your truck there on a Tuesday and they inspect the first like 25 trucks. But now you got to make an appointment. So I'm gonna scroll through this email and show you what I received here last week. It says new mobile unit inspection process for Harris County Public Health. Okay, new owners. So now you have to submit your applications online, or you can bring it into their office, and you have to pay the $125 for the plan review. This for new owners. Plus you got to bring all the necessary documents, your food handler's license, your drawings and everything. But I'm gonna put a link in the description to where you can click on and it'll take you to the website. So the current users or current owners like myself, okay, the first step, you got to request an inspection appointment. So now you can't just show up, you got to request it online. Like to say, they got 5 business days to get back to you and set the appointment date, and they're on Tuesdays. And you got to submit all the documents via email or on the website. So these are the documents you need. You need your driver's license, and if you don't have a driver's license and somebody else is driving the unit for you, they need to submit their driver's license and also a notarized contract saying this person is going to drive it. And you need your food manager's certification. And I'm gonna have a description, a link below to if you want to practice the test or a test similar to it. You can click on my link down in my description and you can do a practice quiz. Also, you need your state of a sales tax permit, and I'm gonna put that link also, or you can call that 1-800 number and they probably will send it to you, but I'm gonna put the links below. And you need a valid vehicle registration for your truck or your towing trailer, valid insurance for your truck or towing trailer, a copy of your menu, and your mobile food unit would be operated. If it's going to be operated at a location more than 2 hours, you would need a letter from the owner saying that, the property owner saying that you're authorized to have your mobile unit there. And they have to have a restroom within 300 feet. And you see right here, you got to have that notarized by the owner of the property. And if you're not going to be in a place more than 2 hours, you don't have to worry about getting this contract notarized right here. In step 3, you say the mobile unit inspection at the appointment request has been made. Environmental Public Health would call within 5 business days and schedule your appointment. So, and this is their number right here. And this stuff changes every year. It's very difficult. And they're making it more and more difficult, especially the fire inspection and everything. Your venter hood, it have to be completely welded. Can't have no seams. But this is the information if you want to scroll down and look at it. And you can also call this 713-274-6300 number, and they will give you all the information that is needed. So I was just showing you the new requirements. So don't just show up on a Tuesday. They will not accept it. You have to go online and schedule an appointment. And like I said, all your links and stuff will be in my description below. I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.